Starting a small business does not need huge money. It needs a smart idea, an idea that fits your skills and your time. Today, I am sharing 50 powerful small business ideas. Each one needs low investment. Each one solves a real problem. Each one can grow into something big. Watch till the end. One of these ideas could change your life. Let us begin. 1. Urban balcony farming kits. City people want fresh vegetables, but they have no land. Sell complete balcony farming kits. Include soil, seeds, and small pots. Add a simple setup service. Healthy living is the future. 2. Mini laundry pickup service. Busy people hate laundry. Offer doorstep pickup and delivery. Focus on small loads. Promise fast turnaround within 24 hours. Build trust with consistent quality. Repeat, customers grow your income. 3. Personalized spice blend maker. Custom spice blends are trending. Every family loves unique flavors. Create personalized blends for each customer. Pack them in branded jars. Sell online or at local markets. Food lovers pay premium prices. 4. Mobile shoe cleaning station. Mobile shoe cleaning is highly profitable. People want clean shoes without effort. Visit customers with a compact kit. Polish, deodorize, and restore their footwear. Charge per pair or offer monthly plans. 5. Home aquaponic starter kits. Aquaponic kits are the new craze. Families can grow fish and vegetables together. Sell small indoor systems. Add easy setup guides. Target health-conscious urban families. The market is growing fast. 6. Eco-friendly gift. Wrapping. Eco-friendly gift wrapping is in demand. People want sustainable options. Provide reusable fabric wraps. Add natural decoration materials. Target events, weddings, and corporate gifting. Charge per piece or per event. 7. Smart closet organizer. Closet organizing is a hot service. Many homes have messy closets. Help families declutter and redesign. Create seasonal rotation systems. Charge per project. Before and after photos sell your service fast. 8. Travel-ready meal prep packs. Travel meal prep packs save busy people. Hikers and travelers need quick food. Prepare lightweight, ready-to-heat meals. Use vacuum-sealed packaging. Sell through hiking groups and travel agencies. 9. Senior digital companion service. Seniors need digital help everywhere. Older adults struggle with phones and apps. Offer simple weekly sessions. Help them with banking, photos, and messaging. Families will gladly pay for this peace of mind. 10. Pet birthday experience planner. Pet birthday planning is booming. Pet owners love celebrating. Plan small parties with decor and treats. Add themed photos and fun activities. Charge per package. Social media markets your service for free. 11. Allergy-safe snack boxes. Allergy-safe snack boxes save lives. Many families struggle with food allergies. Source certified safe products. Build curated monthly boxes. Offer gluten-free, nut-free, or dairy-free options. Subscriptions create steady income. 12. Home safety setup for kids. Home safety for kids is essential. New parents worry constantly. Install baby gates and cabinet locks. Add corner guards everywhere. Create child-safe zones. Charge per room or per home. 13. Quick apartment painting crew. Quick apartment painting is in high demand. People want fast results. Offer one-day painting service. Use fast dry paints. Keep work clean and tidy. Target landlords and movers for repeat business. 14. Mini home bakery boxes. Mini bakery boxes are simple to start. People love weekend treats. Bake small micro-batch boxes. Include 3 to 5 items. Take pre-orders only on weekends. Build a loyal local following. 15. Backyard tent day setup. Backyard tent setups create magical memories. Families want unique fun. Set up safe camping tents at home. Add lights, mats, and snacks. Plan simple activities for kids. Parents will pay for memories. 16. Refill cleaning station. Refill cleaning stations save customers money. People want eco-friendly options. Set up bulk refill points for soap and cleaners. Customers bring their own bottles. Build a regular monthly customer base. 17. Zero waste grocery kit. Zero waste grocery kits help eco-shoppers. Many people want to reduce plastic. Create kits with jars, cloth bags, and labels. Add a simple shopping guide. Sell online and at green markets. 18. Local language learning buddy. Local language learning is highly needed. Tourists and immigrants need basic words. Offer short conversational sessions. Focus on daily phrases. Charge per hour or per package. Word of mouth grows your business. 19. Quick wall art installer. Wall art installation is a great service. People buy art but cannot hang it. Install frames, mirrors, and gallery walls. Visit homes and offices. Charge per piece. Bundle deals work very well. 20. Everyday repair van. An everyday repair van solves small problems. Most homes have broken handles or loose switches. Visit customers with basic tools. Fix minor leaks and small issues. Charge a flat visit fee. Build monthly contracts. 21. Houseplant doctor visits. Houseplant doctor visits help worried owners. Plants get pests and diseases. Diagnose problems on the spot. Treat, repot, and create care plans. Charge per visit. Plant lovers become repeat customers. 22. Solar lantern distribution. Solar lantern distribution helps real people. Many areas have unstable electricity. Sell durable solar lanterns. Target rural and semi-urban customers. Add basic warranty. Live demonstrations boost your sales fast. 23. Emergency phone charging stand. Phone charging stands are gold mines. People always need to charge phones. Set up paid stations at bus stops and markets. Use a simple QR payment system. More locations mean more income. 24. Custom storage box maker. Custom storage box making is creative work. Homes need smart storage solutions. Build boxes from wood or strong cardboard. Design for closets, offices, and toys. Sell online or to interior designers. 25. Local grocery delivery rider. Local grocery delivery is simple to start. Busy households want convenience. Pick up from nearby stores. Deliver within an hour. Charge a small service fee. Tips and bonuses add to your income. 26. On-demand sewing fixes. On-demand sewing fixes solve daily problems. People hate dealing with broken buttons. Offer quick stitching services at home. Fix hems, buttons, and small tears. Charge per piece. Speed builds your reputation. 27. Home compost setup guide. Home composting is rising fast. Families want to reduce kitchen waste. Help them start with bins and starter kits. Add a simple training session. Charge a one-time setup fee. Offer monthly maintenance plans. 28. Eco-friendly return gifts. Eco-friendly return gifts are perfect for events. Hosts want unique giveaways. Make gifts from bamboo and jute. Add handmade items. Sell in bulk for weddings and birthdays. Custom branding adds extra value. 29. Pet hair removal expert. Pet hair removal is highly needed. Furniture and cars get covered in hair. Use special tools to clean sofas and seats. Visit customers' homes. Charge per item or per visit. Pet owners pay gladly. 30. Children's Story Recording Studio. Children's story recording is magical for families. Kids love hearing their own name in stories. Record personalized audio tales. Use kid-friendly characters. Sell as digital files or USB packages. Birthdays drive your sales. 31. Digital photo organizer. Digital photo organizing is a hidden gold mine. Most people have thousands of messy photos. Sort, label, and clean their libraries. Create albums by year or event. Charge per project. Memories matter deeply to clients. 32. Simple Home CCTV Installer. Home CCTV installation builds steady work. Families want safety. Install basic camera systems. Train customers to use the apps. Offer monthly support plans. Referrals will grow your business naturally. 33. Snack vending rack service. Snack vending racks generate passive income. Offices and shops want easy snacks. Place small racks at strategic locations. Restock every week. Share revenue with the host business. More racks mean more profit. 34. Pet social meetup organizer. Pet social meetups bring communities together. Pet owners love to socialize. Host weekend gatherings in parks. Add fun activities and basic training. Charge an entry fee. Pet brands will sponsor too. 35. Micro home theater setup. Micro home theater setup is exciting. Movie lovers want immersive experiences. Install mini projectors and sound systems. Optimize small rooms for great viewing. Charge per setup. Add maintenance packages later. 36. Waste to craft maker. Waste to craft turns trash into treasure. Old materials become beautiful decor. Create unique items from scrap. Sell at local markets and online. Tell the story behind each piece. Eco buyers love this concept. 37. Mini Elder Fitness Coach. Elder fitness coaching changes lives. Seniors need gentle movement. Offer simple, low-impact exercises. Visit homes or work in parks. Focus on balance and flexibility. Families pay for grandparents' wellness. 38. Small space makeover artist. Small space makeover is in demand everywhere. Tiny rooms feel cramped. Redesign with budget-friendly furniture and colors. Use smart layout tricks. Charge per room. Before and after photos sell your service. 39. Stress-free moving helper. Stress-free moving help saves families time. Packing is exhausting. Help pack, label, and unpack items. Bring boxes and supplies. Charge per hour or per home. Moving season brings constant work. 40. Local breakfast delivery box. Local breakfast delivery is a daily winner. Working people skip breakfast. Deliver fresh, simple breakfast packs every morning. Cover offices and apartments. Offer weekly subscriptions. Healthy options sell the best. 41. Indoor pet playground builder. Indoor pet playgrounds delight apartment pets. Cats and small dogs need play space. Create safe play areas inside homes. Use mounted shelves and tunnels. Charge per setup. Pet parents love happy pets. 42. Home coffee corner. Designer. Home coffee corner design is rising. Coffee lovers want their own cafe at home. Set up beautiful corners with storage and decor. Recommend the right machine. Charge a design fee. Add product upsells. 43. Portable bike repair stand. Portable bike repair is convenient and needed. Cycles and e-bikes break often. Visit customers' homes with tools. Fix tires, brakes, and chains. Charge per repair. Subscription plans work for daily commuters. 44. Eco-friendly candle maker. Eco-friendly candle making is creative work. People love natural scents. Use soy or beeswax wax. Add essential oils for fragrance. Sell at markets and online stores. Beautiful packaging triples your selling price. 45. Memory scrapbook. Creator memory scrapbook. Creating is emotional and profitable. Families want to preserve special moments. Design scrapbooks for birthdays and weddings. Use photos and personal notes. Charge per project. Word of mouth grows fast. 46. Mini car interior cleaner. Mini car interior cleaning is simple to start. Most cars are dirty inside. Visit customers with vacuum and tools. Clean seats, dashboards, and carpets. Charge per car. Monthly plans build steady income. 47. Old furniture makeover service. Old furniture makeover saves customers money. People love their old pieces. They want modern looks. Repaint, repair, and redesign for them. Pick up and deliver back. Charge per piece. Photos prove your skill. 48. Smoothie Bar on Wheels. Smoothie Bar on Wheels is healthy and fun. Office workers want fresh drinks. Set up a small mobile cart. Serve fresh fruit smoothies. Park near gyms and offices. Daily customers grow into loyal fans. 49. Mobile pet grooming. Van Mobile Pet Grooming is a thriving niche. Pet owners hate driving to salons. Bring grooming to their door. Use a simple equipped van. Wash, trim, and style pets at home. Premium pricing works very well. 50. Reusable festival decor rental. Reusable festival decor rental reduces waste. Events generate huge garbage. Rent high-quality decor items repeatedly. Offer themes for weddings and birthdays. Charge per package. The same items earn money for years. Those are 50 powerful small business ideas. Each one is simple. Each one is real. Each one can change your life.